Look at this. Machete. Straight rock. Ooh. Taylor got home and FaceTimed me and said, hey, this does not look like our pig. I'm here fulfilling all the orders from the last Pokemon drop. If you look right here, so many orders. You guys absolutely killed it. And order number 7757 here, Aaron Yeen is going to be a winner. $250 fossil Pokemon pack right there, vintage pack. You spent not even half that and just completely more than doubled your money. Congrats to Aaron, and let's do another one right here. Let's pick the other winner. They're very randomly selected as I go down, and we'll go to the next page. Randomly selected right there. One item, spent $17.89, Samantha Thomas. Order number 1695. Let's look for 1695. 1695, $17.89, just got a $250 Green Leaf vintage Pokemon pack. How can you beat that? So I'm gonna be doing another drop, and that drop is going to include these packs right here. Black and White Dragons Exalted. This one literally weighs 19.74 grams, which means it's a very high chance, if not guaranteed, that there's a holo card in the back of that. And an old vintage pack like this, holo card, cha-ching, means money. So I'm giving away 3 this time. All will be individual winners. That's 1 higher chance than last time. I only gave away 2 last time, now 3. So go to the top link in the description, get your pack. Every PC pack equals 1 entry. 7 packs, 7 entries. Top link in the description, get yourself a PC pack, and keep in mind, look at all these. Look at them all. Look at all those. And every single one of these packs comes with a reverse holo or holo card inside, so no matter what, you're getting a shiny card. Get one of these, you could win one of these. Real quickly, I want to show you how an order goes through. So I have all these already pre-labeled. See here? Open the pack up. This has 2, for instance, so we're just going to grab 1 pack, right? 2 packs. Now all these packs are randomly made as well. So we're going to see if we get a hit, right? Pop this open. As a matter of fact, look, this one has a hit card. Just like that. Order number 1746, you got a great card. Anyway, 2 packs, right? Right in, get a PC sticker. I usually put how many packs, you know? So 2 packs, 2 stickers. Get a thank you card, straight in with it. Satisfying, satisfying. Ooh. And that right there is an order. Put this with all the others, and we still have all these to do. This raffle starts right now and will go on for the next 48 hours. So enter while you can, and best of luck, because these packs are beautiful. Even just keeping them sealed would be a very smart thing. Good luck! Top link in the description, fellas. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video here. Today, you have read by the title and thumbnail, we're having some issues with these pigs. Someone dropped the darn pig off, huh? Yeah. Just watching it all makes sense. The pigs have been getting out non-stop. Now granted, the fence I built prior wasn't the best fence. It just wasn't the best. I bought these thinking this was gonna hold the pigs in, and then did this caging, which is about the cheapest caging you can get, and they were just getting out left and right. Then I put the rocks to keep them in from going under and stuff like. It just didn't work. As you can see, as a matter of fact, it's destroyed. We got my boy Chris over here that's been helping us out with a lot of things going on lately. Life's busy. We have to literally undrill everything that I put together to keep these pigs in. So yeah, these guys have an enclosure, but they don't like to stay in it because it's easy for them to get out, and these are very curious animals. Pigs love to roam. They love to just explore and see what they could pretty much destroy. And in this case, they destroyed my lawn. I mean, my lawn is not looking too hot, I'll put it that way. That's, at least they only did it in that spot. But I mean, I'm gonna need a pallet of sod to fix all that right there. So that's a big mistake. I mean, look at that. Oh no, man. That's what pigs do. Once we get all this undrilled though, we are going to set up a whole new fence. And that's what we just bought all this for. Loading up on lumber, boys and girls. Not only do we have hay, but we're getting all the lumber and stuff for these darn pigs. They're not getting out again. I gotta run in and get some more stuff actually, but we got everything we need. All the brackets and everything for the fence that we have in mind. All these fence staples right here. But let me tell you, before we get there, I recorded throughout the last month, legitimately the last month, and I'm only gonna put in a couple, how many times these pigs have gotten out. And a lot of these videos, it's so funny to watch because you'll see just how miserable I look, like how mad I am, how pissed off, just frustrated because I tried to do everything to keep them in, and I would come home after a long day of work and these pigs would just be out. So I'm gonna roll all those clips, and then once we're done with that, we'll be right back here to further explain. Look at this. It's legit a hole. Both of them are in here, which is very surprising, I'll be quite honest. It's the new one. He is tipped over, ate everything out of that. I'm telling you, it's every single morning I wake up. The only thing I could do is change this fence line, but I just don't have time for that right now. I have too many things going on to do this fence line as of right now. So I'm gonna have to figure out another way to keep these things in the enclosure. It is the most frustrating, annoying thing ever, especially since they destroy the lawn. Our pet turtle is literally up on the bank eating grain off of the dirt with the other ducks. Another day, went to bed at like 3 a.m. after editing, and neighbor woke me up. Pigs are in the yard. Let me just say one thing, at least you guys all know how to get back into the enclosure. Because catching all of you would be impossible, and it just wouldn't work. Pig always gets out. I mean, you know I had the problems with the other pigs getting out right here, that's why I had to cover all that up. This one, relentless. I put plywoods up, he knocks everything down. There's a reason why your owner got rid of you, I know that for a fact. On Facebook Marketplace, this pig has like 3 or 4 different pictures. Walk back in. Watch this. Go. Go around, jump, jump, jump. There you go. All right, well, it went as planned, so that's great. It's a great thing. Back at it. You might be telling yourself at this point, oh, why don't you just fix the fence? Unfortunately, I've tried everything I could that a single person could do. And I have no one to help me build a fence right now, at least at the moment. I've made all the calls I can. All my buddies are in like the Bahamas and stuff. So yeah, they're all at my neighbor's house. So I'm here now to get them. Come on. Come on. Where's your sister? Come on. You just found her sleeping in the house with the chickens. Come on. Gate is locked. The morning of. There's 1 piggy. Oh, and there's 2 pig. Good morning. Every friggin' morning, man. Where do you build this thing? One of those days, Taylor FaceTimed me, and she said, this pig is not familiar. There's not a pig we have. I'm assuming Taylor knows what the heck pigs we have. You know, I mean, it's kind of hard. There's 21 pigs on this property. So I understand, but I could have sworn, I mean, you can see right here, this is a FaceTime clip. I don't think this is audio, but what's going on, Willow? How you doing? We assumed for the longest time, I mean, the whole night, I even drove home, someone dropped a pig off at the house. 22 pigs I thought I had, legitimately. Roll the clips of me explaining how someone dropped a pig off when really, realistically, you'll see. I don't even know where the heck it went. I have no idea. I gotta find the pig. Someone dropped a pig off at my house. At my house. Now, I'm going to go through the security footage, but my gate was locked. So they must have pushed the gate open, like manually pushed it open. It's an automatic gate. There's plenty of places that will take these animals. I know this is a good place to put it, honestly. Quite frankly, that was very smart of you. You know it's not going to get killed here. I don't even know where this pig is, I'll be quite honest with you. I don't know if it got back out. I have no idea where it is. I literally just pulled up home. I only know that there's a pig in my property because Taylor got home and FaceTimed me and said, hey, this does not look like our pig. This is it. I mean, is that my pig? Why am I tripping now, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then Lulu's sleeping in the house. So you mistaken Daisy.
Babe, I don't like this.
Yeah, I know you don't. You just mistaken Daisy, got my hopes up, and I filmed a whole video expecting this pig was going to be, I'm blaming it on you. It's 11 o'clock at night, right? As a matter of fact, it is 11:01 right now. This is Taylor's phone I'm using as a light because my phone overheated. This is a mess. Suzanne, what am I going to do with this woman? Suzanne is his name. I need help, dude. I'm so crazy. Willow, get in your cage. The landscapers, listen, this was just a whole mess of how do you do. So Daisy right here is a roamer. She likes to roam. They didn't close the gate. So Daisy got out. Otherwise, these pigs don't get out. You know, I locked this gate. It's very structured. You know, see the wood? The landscapers left the gate open, getting Daisy out, which then made Taylor not realize what pig it was, thinking Daisy was just some random pig. I've never expected or witnessed anything like it. I need to go to sleep. Let's just put it that way. I need to go to sleep. Just, can we all do this at the same time? Neck me. Thank you very much. That was the funniest thing I've ever witnessed in my entire life. I literally thought that someone dropped the pig off at the house, and I was so irritated about it because I was like, come on, I already have enough, you know what I mean? No one dropped the pig off at my house. Thank you so much, Cuffaros, for not dropping a pig off at my house. Now that I made this video, please don't do it. What are you doing out there, huh? She is so pretty, look at her. I'm making you guys an enclosure that you're not gonna be able to get out of, I can promise you that. Now, I'm doing this more for literally the sake of myself. I'm completely stressed out 24/7 worrying about where these pigs are at. I had to ratchet strap the front gate. Look at my front gate, strapped together, so they can't push through and go to the neighbor's house. It's like that little flea on your shoulder, or like a tick, you know what I mean? That's what these pigs have been. These 3 pigs have just been like that. Now, you know, we had issues of the main pigs getting out for a long time. We finally figured their escape routes out and made a zombie apocalypse fence. And as you can see, we've had no issues of them getting out after that. Now it's time to figure out how to get these guys to stay in. The ducks have eaten. Hey, Gary. Same old same, eat up, you little buzz cut piglets. Is Boots gonna do it? Comment down below, do you think Boots is gonna do it, yes or no? And he's sniffing the gate. There he comes. Oh, he jumped over Suzanne. Oh, Suzanne's pissed off. Boots, I wouldn't do that. What's up, guys? What's going on? Suzanne, eat up. This right here is gonna look a lot different here in just about, probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Let's get to freaking work, baby. How you doing? Let's do it. Look at this. Machete! Gary, just imagine how good the thumbnail will be of me feeding you to an alligator. He's got a point. I found a worm, an earthworm. Here we go, pipe season. Oop. Oscar got it. Shimmy these out. These things are all bent too, like literally, dude. Pigs don't play around. They really don't play around. We're laying all the posts out now. I'm digging these holes. We're gonna do post holes here, and we're actually gonna use a pallet, one of our stronger pallets, something like this, one of these thicker ones that has all that as our gate, because we obviously need a gate to get them in or out, or God forbid they get out again. We have something we can just open and they know better to just run right back in. Pigs are very smart, so that won't be an issue, but listen, there ain't no getting out. I'm building as if I was in this enclosure and zombies were outside. That's how I'm building this. Look, he's helping you out. Thanks, bud. Appreciate it. Here we go. We could definitely go deeper.
You got cut already?
Yeah, dude, look. When I jumped the fence. That's what I get for not wearing shoes anywhere. So that'll be our gate, essentially. Yeah. Straight rock. It's crazy. I've been doing that for like 2 minutes and I've gotten about maybe 6 inches deep. Little pigs are all helping us dig though. Thanks guys, appreciate it. And then Batman's over there creeping. Oh, he's just staring at me. Like, what are you looking at, bruh? All right, Chris.
Ready? Order.
Show him how we do this. It gets so sturdy already.
Move it to the left. There you go.
Let's let that hose go. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Kevin, I'm gonna need that spot. Shoo. Come on. It's my tripod. All right. So pretty much the plan is to get, where's our cutters? We just had to go to the hardware store and literally just to get these right here. You're going to pretty much measure, cut. This will be a piece, gate, and all that will be fence. So yeah, that's the plan. Snip, snips time. Last one. Ooh. God, does that feel good?
2 more?
Sorry, pigs, not a chance. And if you do, you have all my respect. Like I would let you roam to Rome. You could stay in Rome. So our first piece is on, although we're gonna put like a piece of wood right here to cover all this BS. This is what we had to do to keep this side like I mean, it is insane. And then once we put the piece of wood at the bottom too, there ain't no way. I cut this out too so that the light could still come out here. Yeah, looks really good. We're gonna work on getting the rest of them nailed on right now. Unfortunately, it's just Chris and I out here, so we don't really have like a filmer, but that's kind of how it goes. Most of the time, it's literally just me. Remember I said in one of the other videos, this is an impossible job to do alone. I wouldn't say impossible, but
Kind of is.
it literally almost is. Like, see how he's got to bend it as I nail it? It's just, we're getting it done though. We rolled it out on the other side. When the pigs push against the fence, this is what I was saying. They're fighting this post instead of, if it was on this side, they could just pop those nails out, which I don't think they would, but these are like mini Hulk pigs. I'm not kidding, they're crazy. 2 of them are in right now. We still have this part of the fence open. We'll tease Willow in and then build the gate, and then they'll all just be in there. Wrist is tired. And people ask me, do you go to the gym? I say no, I just want to farm. All right, now it is time to actually pretty much finish off the project. Get him, Chris. Gotta use them muscles, boy. There it is. These ones are easy.
Yeah.
So the mic was off. I just wanted to explain what we just did while the mic was off. The footage looked like this. We made a homemade gate. I mean, this is cool. Look at this. So sick. Out of a pallet. And then we put it a piece of wood because it was a little off. But look at that. Put this there. Lock it. We put a lock at the bottom too because obviously the pigs are pushing from the bottom. So that is nice and sturdy. We have these, which I'm going to buy 2 more for just extra support. But all in all, I mean, pretty solid gate here. All we got to do now is drill the wood into the post and then put the rocks back. And we'll be set.
You good, Paul?
No. I'm actually covered in pig poop, to be exact. I grabbed a rock, and when I threw it, you know, the pig just all over me. But we're on the last rock. All right. There is the strongest post and wire you can get. Concreted posts in the ground, which we're gonna cut these straight off to be even. Rocks that are literally the weigh how much I weigh. That's how heavy they are. Along the whole fence on both sides, a piece of wood over here. There's no getting out. Like, this is the most secured enclosure I've ever made in my entire life. And I tell you what, this is disgusting, so. Woo!
Probably wish we'd walk through.
Oh yeah, you're right. Anyway. Woo! No more pigs escaping. What a great feeling that is. I don't have to worry about pigs escaping anymore, and whoever dropped the pig off, no one did. I thought so. I'm wrong. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you right here in that next video. Peace. That's not waterproof, so I can't do that. Alright, well, I want to give you one more look before I fully finish the video. I mean, look at this. It is just so pristine. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. The gate is just beautiful. It actually came out amazing. I'm going to get a couple more supports, like I said. And as you can see, they're like, how the heck do I get out? You can't anymore, bud. Keep on going. Yes, sir, Gary.